Okay, what if you could literally carry your entire office desktop right in your pocket? I mean, everything. Today, we're going to dive into the tech that makes that a reality and how it can, well, free you from your physical desk for good. You know that feeling, right? That little jolts of panic? You're miles away from the office, maybe on a trip or working from home, and you realize that one critical file, that one application you absolutely need, is stuck on your work PC. Ugh. It's such a classic problem for, well, pretty much all of us these days. But what if that physical machine just didn't matter anymore? Seriously, imagine being able to access your entire work environment super securely with absolutely zero installation from whatever device you have on you at the time. That's the big, powerful idea we're going to unpack. So this right here, this is the magic behind what's called desktop virtualization. Your laptop, your tablet, even your phone, it basically just becomes a secure window to your real work desktop, which is running on a server somewhere else. You get all your software, all your files, right through a simple app or even a web browser. The key thing? Nothing gets installed on your local device. Nothing. So why is this such a game changer? Well, let's break it down. First off, you get total remote access. You can see your full desktop or just stream a single application if that's all you need. Second, and this one is absolutely huge for any business, your data is way more secure. Why? Because nothing ever actually leaves the company's server. And third, IT costs can seriously drop. Instead of installing and updating software on hundreds of different computers, your IT team just has to manage it all in one central spot. So much simpler. And listen, this isn't just theory. People are seeing these benefits in the real world. That security piece, it's immediate. Think about it. If your sales team is out on the road, you don't have to stress about sensitive company data being on a laptop that could get lost or stolen, because the data isn't on the laptop in the first place. It's safe back on the server. Okay, so we get why it's so useful. But how does it all, actually work? Let's pull back the curtain a little bit and demystify the tech that makes this whole virtual desktop thing happen. All right, the fancy term for this is VDI, which stands for Virtual Desktop Infrastructure. But honestly, the easiest way to think about it is like you're streaming a video game. You know how a powerful server somewhere else does all the heavy lifting, all the graphics processing, and your screen just shows you the action? It's the same idea. The server runs your desktop, and your device is just the screen and keyboard, sending your mouse clicks and keystrokes back. And the whole point, the ultimate goal, is to make the experience completely seamless. This shouldn't feel like some clunky, laggy remote connection from back in the day. A really good system feels, well, it feels exactly like you're sitting right there at your office computer. No lag, no glitches, just your desktop. So if you're sitting there thinking, this could actually be the future for my team, the very next question is pretty obvious. Where do you even start? Let's take a quick look at some of the key players out there. You've basically got a few main options, each with its own sweet spot. If you're a small or medium-sized business looking for something simple and budget-friendly, you've got Parallels RAS. For big companies that are already all in on VMware's ecosystem, their Horizon product makes a lot of sense. And then you have the heavyweight champion Citrix, which is really built for massive global enterprises with super complex needs. Let's just compare two of those for a second to see the difference. Parallels RAS is all about making this stuff easy to set up and manage. It's designed to just work. Citrix, on the other hand, is the go-to for insane levels of security, performance, and customization. But that power comes with a lot more complexity and, yeah, a much, much bigger price tag. So at the end of the day, it's really about finding the right tool for the job that matches your company's size and what you're trying to do. All right, let's zoom out and bring this all together. Because this isn't just some neat tech trick for the IT department. This is about fundamentally changing how we all work. So let's talk about why this really matters to you. So what are the big things to remember here? Number one, the freedom to work from any device, anywhere you want. Number two, a huge boost in data security by keeping everything central. Three, making life easier for IT and saving money. And finally, it just gives incredible flexibility to pretty much everyone. Businesses, schools, you name it. I think this quote really says it all. For a lot of folks, bringing in a system like this isn't just a small upgrade. It's a complete game changer for their whole strategy. It unlocks totally new ways of working and collaborating that just weren't possible before. So as we finish up here, I want you to just think for a second about your own workday. Think about the limitations you run into, the frustrations, the flexibility you wish you had, and then just ask yourself this one question. Is your physical desktop holding you back?